Hi everyone, I'm Mary Joyce and this is my assembly language program titled Multifunction Number Calculator. This program demonstrates modular programming using both pass-by value and pass-by reference. Here's the main part of my program. It displays the menu options: exit, LCM, GCF, factors, multiples, and prime factorization. The user can choose a number and the program will call the corresponding subprogram. Next, I have my input and validation section. This part asks the user to enter three two-digit numbers separated by spaces. It also checks if the inputs are between 1 and 99. Each operation, LCM, GCF, factors, multiples, and prime factorization, has its own subprogram. This is an example of modular programming where the code is divided into smaller reusable parts. In my program, most of the subprogram uses pass by value. For example, in LCM, I pass the values of the numbers using instructions like push the word num1, push the word num2, and push the word num3. Inside the subprogram, they are accessed using EBP plus 8 and so on. Any changes inside the subprogram do not affect the original numbers. For the GCF part, I use pass by reference. This means instead of passing the values, I pass the addresses of the numbers using push num1, push num2, and push num3. Inside the subprogram, I dereference addresses with MOVEIX to get the actual values. The result is stored directly in memory, showing the use of pass by reference. Now, I'll show you a complete run of my program. Run the program. When the program starts, it's displayed the welcome message and the menu option. Option 1, LCM. I choose option 1 for LCM and enter 15, 20, and 30. The program correctly displays the least common multiple. Option 2, GCF. Next, I choose option 2 for GCF and enter 20, 30, 40. This part chooses pass by reference and display the greatest common factor. Now, I choose option 3 and input 20, 34, and 44. The program lists all the factors for each number. Option 4 displays the first 10 multiples of each number. I'll try 7, 9, and 13. Finally, option 5 performs prime factorization. I'll enter 12, 15, and 21. And the program correctly lists their prime factors. That's my assembly language program, the Multifunction Number Calculator. It demonstrates modular programming using both pass by value and pass by reference.